Hi, this video is to show us the beauty of IPC Capital. I joined them 13th of December 2021 and I invested a couple of money there, and this is one of the things I got from the profits. I got this fridge yesterday for 240,000 naira, and I didn't just get that. I also got a washing machine. The washing machine is manual, LG washing machine. I got it for 112,000 naira. It's a manual one. I'm just going to be using it temporarily till I get the real one I want for this apartment. We also got a music box, LG X Boss X Boom. We got this for 70,000. Spent about 400,000 naira because I withdrew $1,000 just on the 1st of January 2020. As you can see, this place is a new room. It's very empty. We just moved into this place, and we are hoping that for the profits I made, I'm going to be making from IPC Capital, I'm going to be using it to equip this place. And this is a word of encouragement for people to see the possibility of what IPC Capital can do. You too can benefit and be part of this kind of opportunity. You don't have to touch that savings of yours. Just invest that capital that is lying fallow. Invest it, and you can be using the profit from it to do whatever projects you have. God bless you. Long live IPC Capital.